Alright, y'all. Finished up pulling my wire. Now we're going to see what CJ's up to while I got a minute before the boss man gets here. As soon as he gets here, we're going to start working on diggers. So. Roll my window down. Get some 96.9 going. Damn plugs, I'm telling you. Oh, let's see what we got behind us. I would show you what I'm doing, but the window tint's so damn dark you wouldn't be able to see it my way. Alright, let's try to not hit the bobcat. So, back to number 6. CJ's tilling up in there. So we're going to meet him at the middle. I might grab me a drink while I'm in there. I don't know. Oh. Kind of nice not having chickens in because you ain't got to worry about picking them bastards up. That's one thing nice not to have to worry about. Oh. Anybody want to buy a Gravely mower? $22.50. As it sits. Yeah, he's already started. Tilling up. Already got the camera on. Damn, I'm right here to see it. On the Jeep today.